Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to host events on your website and want an easy way to manage invitations, RSVPs, and ticketing, you're definitely in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to walk you through setting up the Wix Events app on your Wix website, step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add an event section to your site and start organizing those events with ease. So, let's dive right in. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account and you've opened your website design project. This is basically your dashboard where you control everything about your site. Think of it as your home base. If you're not quite sure where to start, just head to wix.com and sign in. From there, click on the site you want to work with. It's a simple starting point, but it sets the stage for everything else you're about to do. Now, once you're on your website's editor, glance over to the top or side navigation bar and look for the search feature. If you can't find it right away, don't worry. Wix's layout is pretty intuitive, and you can usually spot a search bar somewhere near the Add Elements or Apps section. Enter Wix Events into that search bar. Searching is important here because Wix offers hundreds of apps and features, and you want to make sure you're picking the official Events app to take advantage of all the management features for guest lists, ticket sales, and event details. Within the search results, you'll see an option called Wix Events and Tickets. Go ahead and click on that. This is the specialized app designed for both free and paid events, plus ticket management. Take a moment to read the brief description. It's always good to know exactly what you're adding to your site. If you're wondering whether there's a difference between events and tickets, just know that this combined version is what's recommended for most users who want full control. Next, you'll spot an Add to Site button. Click this, and Wix will start the integration process automatically. This part might take a few moments as the app loads into your site. If your internet connection is a little slow, be patient. The platform is pretty efficient, and it should pop up shortly. Once installed, you'll notice a new event section appears right on your Wix site editor. It might show up in a default location, like near the home page or in a new page draft. You can always drag it where you want later. Here's where the magic happens: managing your event and its settings. If you click into that newly added events section, you're taken to a management interface where you can create events, set dates and times, add descriptions, upload images, and even set up custom registration forms or ticketing options. Wix does a great job of walking you through each part, so don't worry if it looks a bit overwhelming at first. Take your time to explore each function. Think about the kind of event you're hosting, whether it's a webinar, local meetup, or anything in between. Getting your settings right from the start makes your event run smoother and helps your guests know what to expect. And just like that, you've set up the Wix Events app. With these steps, your website is now ready to showcase events, gather RSVPs, and sell tickets, all in one place. If something doesn't look quite right, remember that you can always go back and tweak your event section's visual design and details. There's plenty of room to customize so it fits your site's vibe. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to drop a comment below if you have any questions or if you'd like to see more Wix tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Good luck setting up your events, and I'll see you in the next video.